Learn English to Gujarati directions. This way, above, below.
ભૂમિ માળે,
And.
ખૂણાની આસપાસ.
Welcome, brave explorer. Hey, you're about to learn 5 super useful direction words in Gujarati, and yes, you will survive this building without ending up in a broom closet. Imagine you are in a giant building with 1 helpful guard, 2 confusing hallways, and 1 elevator that looks emotionally unavailable. Today you learn how to say, this way, above, below, on the ground floor, and, around the corner, in Gujarati. Your key phrases are,
આ તરફ,
for this way,
ઉપર,
for above,
નીચે,
for below,
ભૂમિ માળે,
for on the ground floor, and,
ખૂણાની આસપાસ.
for around the corner. Say them once with me.
આ તરફ, ઉપર, નીચે, ભૂમિ માળે, ખૂણાની આસપાસ.
The Lost Tourist Story. Let's jump into a mini story, because vocabulary sticks better when someone is mildly confused. You walk into a hotel lobby and immediately forget where everything is. Classic. You ask the receptionist, where is the cafe? She smiles and says, it is.
ભૂમિ માળે,
Great news. No stairs, no dramatic mountain climbing music. Then she points and says,
આ તરફ,
that means, this way. So you follow. On the wall, you see a sign.
ઉપર,
The door. The umbrella stand is.
નીચે,
The sign. Then another guest whispers, as if revealing treasure, the bakery is.
ખૂણાની આસપાસ.
Around the corner? Even better. Snacks and success. Word spotlight. Now you will meet each phrase properly, like guests at a very practical language party. This way, is.
આ તરફ,
A guide says, please come.
આ તરફ,
Quote. Above, is.
ઉપર,
The lamp is.
ઉપર,
The table. Below, is.
નીચે,
The keys are.
નીચે,
The shelf. On the ground floor, is.
ભૂમિ માળે,
The office is.
ભૂમિ માળે,
Around the corner, is.
ખૂણાની આસપાસ.
The cafe is.
ખૂણાની આસપાસ.
Tiny dialogue, big survival energy. Listen to this short dialogue and imagine you are trying not to look lost for the 5th time today. A. Excuse me, where is the exit? B.
આ તરફ,
A. Where is the clock? B. It is.
ઉપર,
The picture. A. And my bag? B. It is.
નીચે,
The chair. A. Where is the pharmacy? B. It is.
ભૂમિ માળે,
A. Where is the tea stall? B.
ખૂણાની આસપાસ.
Memory tricks that are slightly ridiculous. Good. Now let's make these words unforgettable with images your brain did not ask for. 4.
આ તરફ,
Imagine a cat acting like a traffic officer, pointing with total authority and directing everyone to the snacks. 4.
ઉપર,
Picture a superhero pointing upward before flying away dramatically, cape first, common sense second. 4.
નીચે,
Imagine a giraffe trying to hide below a tiny umbrella. It fails, but the word stays. 4.
ભૂમિ માળે,
Picture yourself proudly climbing 3 flights of stairs, only to discover the office was on the ground floor the whole time. A tragic fitness moment. 4.
ખૂણાની આસપાસ.
Imagine a bakery hiding just around the corner and sending out the smell of fresh bread like a delicious signal flare. Repeat after me. Your turn now. Say each Gujarati phrase out loud after the English. Nice and clear. This way.
આ તરફ.
above,
ઉપર.
below,
નીચે.
on the ground floor,
ભૂમિ માળે.
around the corner,
ખૂણાની આસપાસ.
quick challenge. Let's see if your brain is awake and not secretly on vacation. Answer before I do. How do you say this way in Gujarati?
આ તરફ.
How do you say above in Gujarati?
ઉપર.
How do you say below in Gujarati?
નીચે.
How do you say on the ground floor in Gujarati?
ભૂમિ માળે.
How do you say around the corner in Gujarati?
ખૂણાની આસપાસ.
Friendly wrap up. You did it, and even better, you did not get lost in the grammar hallway. Today you learned 5 useful English to Gujarati direction phrases.
આ તરફ.
For this way,
ઉપર.
for above,
નીચે.
for below,
ભૂમિ માળે.
for on the ground floor, and
ખૂણાની આસપાસ.
for around the corner. Thanks for learning with me. Keep practicing out loud, use the words when you walk around buildings or streets, and come back soon for more Gujarati. You are doing great.